All right, hey, this is Mark coming to you from Baker's Green Acres. And it's Baker's Snowy Acres today. And yesterday I said I was going to show you some stuff that I did with the snow that we have. We have an abundance of snow right now. And now the wind has come up and it's blowing pretty good. So I came out to see how everybody's doing. And these 3 calves are in this one hut over here. And the overview on this would look something like, there ain't got to be much of a video because it's brutal out here right now. They're in there, and what I did was I covered up these huts with snow just to insulate them and keep the wind off of them. And that one guy is in there by himself. Tulip is in there by herself, and 3 of them are in here. So, you know, the governor has declared a state of emergency today. And at first I thought that was pretty wimpy, but after being out here for about 10 minutes, it's pretty bad. Wind chill is like 30 below. So, I got stuff to do inside, and that's what I'm going to do. This is not a good day to be working outside. So we won't start any equipment today. We'll just work on stuff inside. I do have a problem. Did a lot of preparation for this weather coming, and then I had a drain freeze up in the butcher shop. And it kind of happens every year. And I should have seen it coming. I just didn't think it was going to happen. I'm going to head in there right now. Whew! That's a cool one. Got lots of clothes on too. And I come in here and it's like Miami Beach. Because I have this. That wood stove has been burning for 24 hours straight. Easy. I threw a big log in it right before I went to bed last night. And then this drain problem is right here. That drain goes out to a tank, which goes out to a drain field. And we had a little bit of a leak, and it wound up having a small trickle of water going down there, and froze up in the pipe, even though it was below the frost line, but there's a lot of cold air in that pipe. So it built up. So what we did is we took a heating element that would be used for a water tank, somewhat like that one up there, and then adapted it with some Romex cable and ran it down there 15 feet, and it's sitting down there plugged in, and the thing gets hot. It makes hot water. So I'm pretty confident it'll take a while, but it'll blow through and we'll be back in business. If not, we'll work around it. But everything's done. Cows are milked. Animals are fed. We didn't have any problems. It's almost lunchtime. Life is good, except for a little chilly. Okay, I hope everybody's doing well, and stay safe. It's Mark from Baker's Green Acres.